Hello, my name is Xuanming. I am from Takyoto Daycare Center. Today, I would like to introduce you all to my coding work. The title of this work is Prehistoric Rescue. The characters are Spinosaurus, Zombing Ball, Civilians, Berry Bush, and 5 types of tree. The story begins with Spinosaurus hunting for the civilians, but the zombing ball comes to save the civilians. The Spinosaurus takes the shortcut and ends up falling into a canyon twice. Lastly, the zombing ball manages to rescue all 3 civilians.